Welcome back to our channel, coffee enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the rich and aromatic world of Türk Kahvesi, also known as Turkish coffee. Get ready to uncover some fascinating unknown facts that will deepen your appreciation for this centuries-old tradition. Hey there, coffee lovers! And I'm thrilled to take you on a journey through the captivating history, unique preparation, and cultural significance of Türk Kahvesi. Let's begin. Turkish coffee, also known as Türk Kahvesi, is a traditional method of preparing and serving coffee that has been a part of Turkish culture for centuries. Here's a short overview of the process. Ingredients: finely ground Turkish coffee beans, cold water, sugar, optional, cardamom, optional, cezve, a small, long-handled pot, small cups. Steps: measure. For each cup of coffee, measure 1 heaping teaspoon of finely ground Turkish coffee. Measure cold water using the coffee cup you will use to serve. Typically, you'll use the same cup for measuring both water and coffee. Use about 1 cup of cold water for each cup of coffee. Turkish coffee can be prepared with or without sugar and cardamom. If you like, you can add sugar and a pinch of ground cardamom to the coffee mixture in the cezve, adjusting the sweetness and flavor to your preference. Mix the coffee, water, sugar, and cardamom, if using, in the cezve until everything is well combined. Place the cezve on low heat. Do not stir the mixture once it's on the heat. Let it heat slowly. As the mixture heats up, it will begin to froth and form a foam on the surface. Just before it comes to a boil, you might notice the foam rising. This is an essential part of Turkish coffee. Once the foam starts to rise and just before it boils over, carefully pour a bit of the foam into each serving cup. This helps distribute the foam evenly among the cups. Allow the coffee and the cezve to come to a boil. When you see the coffee about to overflow, remove it from the heat immediately. Let it settle for a moment to allow the grounds to sink to the bottom. Slowly pour the coffee into the cups, dividing it equally among them. Do not stir the coffee, let it settle. Turkish coffee is traditionally enjoyed slowly, sipping the strong coffee while the grounds settle at the bottom. You can also have a glass of water on the side to cleanse your palate between sips. Remember that making Turkish coffee requires practice, as achieving the perfect foam and balance of flavors takes time to master. It's a delightful and cultural experience that allows you to savor both the coffee and the moment. Our first stop is the historical origins of Türk Kahvesi. Did you know that this brewing method dates back to the Ottoman Empire, tracing its roots to the 16th century? Coffee houses were the epicenters of intellectual and cultural exchange, acting as hubs for poets, artists, and scholars. Imagine sipping on a cup of this dark elixir while discussing politics, literature, and philosophy, a true cornerstone of Ottoman social life. Now, let's talk about the unique brewing ritual of Türk Kahvesi. It's not just about the coffee itself, but also about the process and presentation. The coffee is finely ground to a powder, then simmered with water and sugar in a special pot called a cezve. But here's the catch: it's prepared unfiltered. The coffee grounds settle at the bottom, creating a velvety sludge. And the most exciting part? Fortunes are often told from the leftover coffee grounds. This practice, known as tasseography, adds an element of mystique to the experience. Türk Kahvesi goes beyond taste, it's embedded with symbolism and tradition. The foam on top, known as kopuk, has significant meaning. If your coffee has a thin layer, it suggests friendship. A thick foam indicates wealth and prosperity. And if there's no foam, watch out for some potential challenges. This foam tradition reflects the importance of interpersonal connections and understanding. Türk Kahvesi wasn't confined to the Ottoman Empire. It played a pivotal role in the global spread of coffee culture. Coffee was introduced to Europe through Ottoman trade, leading to the opening of the first coffee houses in cities like Venice and London. The distinct preparation method of boiling coffee grounds influenced the development of various coffee brewing techniques worldwide. As times have changed, Türk Kahvesi has also evolved. Modern adaptations keep the tradition alive while catering to contemporary tastes. Today, you can find Türk Kahvesi in trendy coffee shops, with innovative flavors like cardamom-infused or chocolate-tinged varieties. While staying true to its roots, Türk Kahvesi continues to captivate new generations. Beyond its delightful taste and cultural significance, Türk Kahvesi offers some surprising health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, this coffee might support heart health and cognitive function. Plus, the practice of taking a moment to enjoy a cup can contribute to relaxation and mindfulness. And there you have it, folks, the mesmerizing world of Türk Kahvesi, with its historical legacy, enchanting traditions, and delightful surprises. If you've never tried Türk Kahvesi, I encourage you to seek out this extraordinary experience. Remember, it's not just a beverage, it's a connection to centuries of culture and community. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the lesser-known facets of Türk Kahvesi. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more explorations of the world's most intriguing traditions. Until next time, keep sipping and savoring life's flavors.